so nice here. The people and the staff, everyone is so professional.
My overall impression of the summer school, I'm very impressed. I really liked it here.
My overall impression is very positive. I like the summer school very much.
To me, it's a very valuable experience for sure. I think BGI played a really huge impact in how I would view summer schools in general.
I really liked BGI. I was really impressed when I first came here. I didn't expect for everything to be this big, this much technology and such.
First, I was really afraid. I'm not really good at talking to people initially, but when I saw the teachers interacting with the other students, I wasn't scared at all. I was like, if I have any confusions or there are any interests that I would love to talk about, I just immediately ask the teacher, and they're all very warm and welcoming to me.
The lectures here, every lecture is a story for itself. Every lecture is different, and we have an opportunity to learn from the professionals in their field, and the opportunity to speak to them and to learn something new from them, it's actually the best moment for me.
Mostly I liked in the second day, a professor that talked to us a lot about his research on agriculture. I really liked it. It was a postdoctoral research and I was really impressed, mainly because I do like agriculture a lot. I would like to specialize in the future in that.
There was this one lecture from Professor Lian Laoshe. She explained a lot of things about aging omics, which I think was very intriguing for me, because I've just learned that you can see a person's health just by looking at their liver condition.
I visited a lot of labs, especially sequencing labs was very impressive, and they have advanced technologies. The range of DNA sequencing methods, it was very impressive.
You don't only learn about things in class, because you get to go to the actual labs and see the actual sequencers and stuff.
I can experience something that's not usually available for me, and to learn and broaden my views in science and technology, and to actually be able to implement it in my country.
That was a very interesting experience for me to go over the health center, because I saw a smart pod over there, and I just saw people coming in there to get their health assessed.
It's basically a pod type of structure where you can scan with your phone the QR code, and then you can do non-invasive health checkup. So I was actually able to see my beauty index, my health index, to check for my hearing, for if my eyes are okay, and to also see my cognitive ability. And it only took 5 minutes, and I got the data, and it was so fun, and I think it's really accessible for everyone.
BGI has this one motto that is 133111I that focuses mainly on early detection and prevention, and I think the health center really upholds that motto.
I learned that genomic science and healthcare management can be linked with each other, because genomic can diagnosis and healthcare management could prevent the disease.
And this company provides me the knowledge that I can implement in my future study and research projects. It can combine mechanical engineering parts to the life science parts like biology and chemistry.
I think my study here will help a lot, will help me and will help the university, maybe even my country.
I would like to cooperate with BGI scientists in the future. We can do a lot of multi-omics technology research together, and also publish some papers in the very reputable journals.
And BGI is also currently expanding the omics knowledge to worldwide. They've worked with Indonesia, Thailand, Pakistan, and many other countries. I definitely recommend this event to future participants, of course.
They can make international friendship, build a scientific network.
I think it's a great experience and I would recommend it to anybody. If I could, I would like to even go back again.
I strongly recommend the future participants to come and join the BGI Summer School.
I would really strongly advise everyone to come and experience this program and to come and visit BGI, because I think that's the best thing they can do for themselves and for their future.